Literally, that day was the perfect example. Trump tweeted something. We all got taken out of the buys because it dropped like the entire trade got taken out, and that bitch is still skyrocketed. It just took a bit longer, but still did what it was supposed to do.
I am fucking starving, bro. That shit just hit me out of nowhere. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I know I'm not cooking though. I know that much.
Are you hungover? You sound hungover.
Nah. I feel good. I'm just hungry. Why my voice, what is it like? It do seem like it's a little raspy right now. Is my voice right?
I don't know. Your voice, the fact that you're hungry, you look sleepy, you have the fucking evil Kermit shit on. You're like,
My crib is freezing right now.
this is probably the hottest day we've had all year.
Order Indian street food? Yeah, right. I'm not even, I wouldn't even order Indian food, let alone Indian street food. No disrespect, but the Instagram street food shit fucked me up.
You're traumatized seeing people cook with their
Nah,
feet.
they fucked it up for y'all.
Oh fuck! I almost forgot to record. Production was about to kill me.
Get you some Mexican food? Now that don't sound too bad. That don't sound too bad. Some birria tacos don't sound too bad.
I know what it is about birria tacos. They're like, I will feel like shit after eating them. I will enjoy them while I'm eating, and then I'll feel completely like shit after.
For real?
Yeah. I don't know if it has like too much grease in them.
That consomme sauce? Oh my god.
I think that's what actually fucks me up. It's not the actual taco.
That shit's too gas.
Yo, I did have a birria ramen one time.
Yeah, me too.
But I didn't say I didn't like them. I said they make me feel like shit. I can't fucking help that. The fuck?
I think I've tried everything birria. I've had pizza, ramen, quesadilla, you name it. If you got birria in it, I gotta try it. Fuck with that shit.
I
Let's
think
rob
it's the
Parker. Let's
grease
do it.
because like I don't know. It's like I'll get disgusted by it like as I'm eating it. Yeah, I think it's the oil.
Market opens in about a minute, 20 seconds. Have you tried birria made out of sheep or goat? Nah, bro. I just listen. If the restaurant got birria, I just grab it. I don't know where it came from.
I don't know where it came from. It's crazy.
I do fuck with goat though.
What, you fucked a goat? What?
What? Hey, what?
What?
Bro, there's no way you got that from that, bro. Well, right, freaky ass. We gotta check Izzy search history.
It's never too early.
What brand of hot sauce is y'all favorite? I don't eat hot sauce.
I like what is it called? Truff. Truff is so fucking good. I will literally die after eating it, but I love truff.
She talking about I'm pussy on the low, bro. My body can't take it, bro. I got crazy ass reflux. Should be fucking with me. Market
No,
is open, and we
truff
had a
is the
crazy ass
fucking
drop.
bomb. Drop? Wait, oh shit! I was like, "Where's the drop?"
We got down 200 points.
I was like, I couldn't even see where the drop was.
It's just kind of crazy.
Every time that shit is like outside of my fucking range, I'm like, "Where is the drop?" And this is the second time this happened.
Yeah, it's a crazy ass drop.
I'm interested in buys still. 5 seconds. Are you guys gonna fucking kill me if I goes down to the 5 seconds? Because that's how I'm feeling right now.
You said the 5 second?
Yeah, you see my chart? I'm on the 5 seconds.
Oh shit.
Because there's no swing point before that. I want to see the whole gap.
I feel like it's gonna drop.
Well, there is no close bit above that, so. But
Young
I'm
is
waiting for
where
it.
would targets be? Yo, we have
The whole gap. What do you mean? Where's the target?
no. If we were to keep coming down, like where the fuck is it trying to go? Type shit.
If it wants to go down, hell. 23023.
Let me see. Hold on. Do see this one little gap here. Oh, we're already below that. Would be kind of crazy if we come for these dailies.
I'm about to try this long as soon as we close above that. If you guys never tried the 5 second chart, here you go. There's always the first time for everything. Oh my god, bro. All of my settings are getting fucked right now. My OBS. All of them. There we go. Perfect. Right.
Get
Okay,
ready to
fine. Let's
test
start
this too. Let me
recording.
see how we close.
Yep, I'm in. Oh, this is beautiful.
Okay, next candle.
Bro, I'm targeting the entire fucking gap, bro. We're going up. Or the bare minimum, the 50% of this gap. No drawdown. Put my stop right here for now. I feel like I marked this different. I don't know if
Yeah,
NQ and this fucking both of these charts are fucking tripping me up.
let's get it. Let's get it.
What if it pulls me out? Then it does. I'm not gonna think about it until that happens. It's holding beautifully, so I mean, I'm not really thinking about that right now.
Ooh, that was a Friday's low sweep too.
Exactly why I was like, oh, we buying.
Need to get over this quarter point. Shit.
What is the day looking like? Oh yeah, we are on a weekly fair value gap too. This is if we're going to go up, this is definitely the point. This bitch is gonna go up.
The way we in this bitch.
Yo, the NQ chart looks so
Break over
much
that
better than
quarter.
this crap. I'm gonna go to the NQ chart just so you see what I'm seeing because we are actually on a fair value gap on it. Where is it at? Bro, am I retarded? No, I'm retarded. Hold on. Because I was okay, the 15, no, yes, 15 seconds fair value gap. That's what I was looking at on the 15 seconds. There we go. Ah, there it is. Right? Looks like my chart. Yeah. All right. And as soon as we close and break above this, I'm going break even.
Definitely want to see us get over that quarter point. What up, Coach? What up, Brody? My boy Farmer was good, man. How you feeling, Brody?
There we go. There we go. And we can finally go break even. I think we got in more. Like my entry was more like here. Whatever. Stop loss below this box. Wherever you got in. Because now I want to see this gets respected.
Good start to the week. First max payout secure. Good shit, Luca. Boy,
Hell
Luca
yeah.
been doing this thing. Boy, Luca been doing this thing, man.
Am I on the 5 seconds? I'm on the 5 seconds right now. Yeah. So essentially my stop is below this low right here that formed the fair value gap.
Peter, what type of shit is that? Tapped my 786. Definitely taking a partial there.
I should take a partial, but I can't because I only have one mini.
That's why I fuck with micros. I love to pay myself.
Well, I'm trailing, so like I'm in profit already.
Get taken out. Oh, yep, just got taken. Whoa. Strat six
I
my
get
bitch.
it. Where's my stop? My stop is somewhere around here.
Strat six my bitch. That's why I took a
Should I take the profit or not?
literally hit my fib level and reversed. Literally.
Out. My OBS looks fine.
Darian, what's good, bro? You guys gamble Asia open on every day now. We don't gamble anything. We have logic.
I don't
What
know.
do
Do
you
you gamble in your free time?
Can you explain the trade? Yeah. So I had my fib levels and we also have a previous day low sweep. And we were getting in the buys to test the fill of the gap, at least the midline of it. Once I see liquidity get swept, I target the top side every single time. And I secured about 189 and we break even.
I just took these lows right here. I kind of want to try buys again, possibly. Okay, there it is.
Yeah, I like that reaction.
Yep.
Might be just a little too early for me though. On the 25K fund is 706.
Because we took this sell side right here, so like I'm kind of okay with that. 15-second tap. Because I'm still bullish.
I think it's gearing for the power up. I want to see how this next candle opens up. We get the
Well,
pullback.
it's only 14 points, so if it takes me out, it takes me out. I like the risk reward because I want to target the entire gap to be filled. And this is 200 fucking points. So 14 points to make 200 points. I think that's decent. What is the worst that can happen? My stop loss gets hit.
Right. Still being a little patient. I want to see what these candles do. I definitely don't want that to be a failed bullish move and we jump in too early.
Like, see, NQ did not touch the end of this gap, even though this is where my stop loss is at. And MNQ did. So I'm still in the trade because it didn't actually take me out.
Yeah, I jumped in there. I like how we closed directly respecting the fib. I have a pretty tight stop. Let's get it.
Yeah. On the 30 seconds, let me see how it looks. See how this wick went all the way down? NQ did not did that. It respected the gap perfectly.
It's the one I'm using myself. Bobby, it's the one I'm using myself.
What?
No, I'm talking to Bobby. Yeah, this fib that I'm using isn't in the course. It's one of the fibs I've been testing. Boy said full porting open. Bucko the gamer. How did that go, brother? How did that work out? Did you make bread?
19. Okay. 197. Fuck. Fuck. Where is my other one?
Joe King, what it do, man? What's going? What's going, Brody?
Hell yeah. Great reaction.
Just need this pump. I will be taking another partial at a quarter point, which is about literally like 33 points away. We have a gap right there on the 1 minute, right where that quarter point is at as well. So I'm gonna be mindful of that and be smart. And
Yeah, whenever we take this high, I will take most of my position out. Oh shit, I'm almost in my take profit. No, move for the take profit. What the fuck? Oh my god.
So
my take profit almost got hit.
Position.
Holy shit.
Out of a little bit.
I'm over here running with my take profit. I accidentally put on my second position the take profit too quickly.
Yeah, took me a slice off too. Took
Yep.
me a slice off too. Took me a
I
slice
look
off
like a
too.
crazy person. He
Look,
said,
guys,
I'm done.
hey,
18 minutes into the market open. He's like, I'm done.
That's good. That's good.
I
You
know.
ain't gotta all the time. You can
Hell
shop
yeah.
there. You can hang out. You can do what you do.
Do what you do.
This is why we take partials at the QPs in case of any fuckery. Got my first payout ever coming. Good shit, Jazz. Good
Hell
shit.
yeah.
Let me hold like $2-3.
$2-3. The fuck you gonna do with that? Tell me right now. What are you gonna do with that?
I'll probably give me a nice Gatorade.
Gatorade.
I know I'm good for 12 quarters, bro. Yellow, of course. The yellow Gatorade, of course.
I like the blue one.
I think I'm the only person in the world that hates blue Gatorade.
You must be.
I don't like that shit. The watermelon, they don't even have a watermelon flavor, Brody. Again, if you guys are gonna try to be funny, at least be funny, bro. Zero reactions. Imagine telling a joke in front of fucking, how many people's in here? 600 people and not one person reacted.
I left.
That's very shameful. Thought you were cool. Damn, Athena, I'm not cool. I thought I was a cool guy, bro. Oh, because of the blue Gatorade shit? It's not better than the yellow, bro. Or the orange. Debate your grandma, don't debate me.
Debate your grandmother's crazy.
Take it over.
Oh,
her.
they have a strawberry watermelon. Are you gonna try it?
They do
Yeah.
a strawberry watermelon Gatorade flavor.
Oh, so now you're interested.
Yeah, I love strawberry.
Oh, that's what you're excited about.
Of course, that's like my favorite fruit. I love strawberry. So wait a minute, is that like an exclusive flavor? I ain't gonna lie, serious inquiry, man. Serious inquiry, bro. I need to go get that if that's the case. G
he's
shit.
over there on the Instacart right now. Okay.
Well, that's a good bev. A strawberry Gatorade.
I actually did try the strawberry. There was no watermelon in it, but I bought it when we were in Florida.
Nice. Oh, we are
Okay,
pumping.
now I'm going break even, guys.
We are
And
pumping. Oh,
take pretty much, if you want to get out and you do not want to hold, take everything if we run these highs on 22. Everything. If you're not, trail and be happy. Should I take partials there? I think I'm gonna take partials there. I'll go see. You know what? I'll trail with one of them because I have two trailings. That's why I like to do my positions separately because I can trail separately. But why can I move? There we go.
let this bitch ride, man.
Let this bitch ride. Hell yeah, and you can get out right now if you do not want to hold it. And that's how we do it. Dun, 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 dun.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
I'm trying one position very aggressively. And the other one was a break even still. Do I want to
I locked in 350 across 5 accounts, and I'm $300 away from passing these accounts. So yeah, this need to pump so I could.
I feel like it's about to take
I
me
could go
out on
catch
my
a fly.
trail. Let me look at the 5 seconds. Yeah, I can trail right here. Form a swing point for me. Come on. Oh, it took me out on my trail.
I need this 5.
So I secured, I don't even know how much, $300. And then I'm still up 300. That was it? No. Really?
60 over it.
How? I'm still in with one mini.
Oh, you good.
Good shit, Izzy. I was wrong. Fuck the news. There we go. Fuck the news, guys.
Secure that 10K payout I sent you on the ground. Good shit, man. Good shit, bro. Good
That's
shit.
my whole point, guys. The market needs to retrace.
I secured 1,300 on my eval.
Oh no, I'm almost out. Oh, I need to move my take profit again.
Good shit, Lee Whitaker. Woo, we are exploding.
Oh!
We are exploding.
W's in the chat. Profit roll call. Come on, if you're closed.
We are exploding. Got to be careful here because this is a fib level on ES for me. I am taking another partial at 80 points. I just thought about it. We hit 80. That's 100 points for my entry. I entered at 970.
What? Yeah, we moved. Well, I got taken out from this one, I think. But from the initial call, yeah, no, I lied because I moved at break even. So yeah, I did get in around here. Because then I was moving so people knew where my stop loss was at. Yeah, 100 points.
Hold on. I'm gonna do 85.
Tell me you can't trade the 5-second chart. Tell me.
The motherfucking midline is at 88. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna take a partial at 85 though. Took 400 so far, making sure I pay myself right. Pay yourself, bro. Always pay yourself. YouTube, we in this long, right? YouTube, we are in this long, correct?
Oh yeah.
And I see 320 people in here. By the time I blink, we should be at 100, right? Should be at 100 likes, right? Because I'm seeing
Right.
65 right now with over 300 people around here.
I'm tempted in trailing closer or getting out. I think I'm gonna trail closer. How much am I gonna be securing from trailing closer? I wish you didn't take my first position out, but whatever. I
Just tax
secured a
5.
thousand. I secured $1,000. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna leave my trailing at $1,000. I think I'm content with that. And then let the bitch run. Because I'm up 1,700. I feel like closing. I'm not gonna close. I'm gonna close. I'm not gonna close. Oh my god. The spiritual fucking.
Take a what's the name, man? 80. Or not 80. The midline of the gap. Oh, we're already there on ES.
We're already there, boy.
We're already there on ES. I may
We're
have to take
almost there. Oh my god. Ah.
I may have to take another partial secure 544. And bro, I need 300 or $280 to pass. But I'm trailing pretty close because it can do some walk right here.
I think I'm gonna trail closer. Oh, do I get out? No, trail closer. Trail closer. I'm at. Where is your trailing?
I'm trailing at 50.
Mine is 56.
Yeah, I'm trailing right at 50. Not giving back too much. I'm guaranteed like I do my calculations right, just a little under 700 per
I
account.
think I'm guaranteeing right now 1,500. Okay, that's good. 1,500 is good. There you go. 1,500 guaranteed. I'm up almost 2 bands right now. Per account times how many accounts is that? Oh, I'm up 20 bands actually.
Nice.
I forgot that I was copy trading.
Nice. Look at this fucking candle. Look at this fucking candle. Nice.
2 bands. Woo! Oh, do I get out of 2 bands? Guys, 2 bands is kind of like calling my name right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trailing super aggressively right now. If it takes me out, it takes me out at this point. Like, I'm really happy with this.
Yeah, I'm at 64 now.
It took me out. It took me out at 2 bands. It took me out $20,000.
If I roll up this shit, wicks and flips, I'm gonna be so damn happy.
Right? We got the entire move.
That's 100 points in
Okay.
Asia.
Yeah.
That's
Tell me who
100.
else is doing this during Asia.
Oh, I just got fucking taken out.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got out at $2,200 per account. We're lit.
yeah, we litty.
We're
We
litty
are litty.
blitty.
I'm at 744.50. We are litty.
Oh yeah.
Per
I
account.
feel
That's
good.
5 accounts. What is the math on that? 744.50 times 5. I think it's like 4 bands or some shit. Or
Okay, well, I'm done.
I'm done.
This was it for me, guys. Let's do TA now. Can we do a profit roll call real quick for Instagram?
I'm about to say, yeah, let's get a
Hold
profit roll
on.
call. And YouTube,
Hold
man,
on, hold
let's
on,
do
hold
profit.
on. Hold on, guys. Let me start recording. Let me look cute. Hold on.
Pocket watch y'all, man. Let me see what y'all making over there, man.
All right, profit roll call. Who got in on this fucking banger? Let's go. Fast.
what the fuck I'm talking about.
Hell yeah.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
Hell yeah. Oh, we lit.
Six. Hit me with
This
the
is
good old
6:30 in the afternoon, and we already in fucking deep profit. Who else is doing Asia like this? 100 points. The market barely even open.
Hit me with the good old strat 6, fellas. This shit has got to be stopped.
Okay, roll call. Who got in on this fucking?
Thank you. I got my funded PA from $1.50 to $2.26. Good shit, Brody. Good shit, Brody.
$1.50 is crazy work.
Hey, bro, you had 226 now. That's all that matters. Right.
Oh,
Lock yourself out so you guys don't overtrade. If you guys got taken out, if you guys got hit with that strat 6 like me, don't even trip. I'm okay with 744 per account. I need less than $300 to pass these accounts. I'm probably just gonna do that in New York.
Yeah, those were my PA. I might not even trade. Like, I'm telling Lama, like, sometimes I'm making so much money, like, during Asia that I can't trade during New York. Like, if not, I fuck up my consistency.
When Asia does its thing, Asia does its thing. I'm not gonna lie. When
Yeah.
Asia does its thing, it does. But when it doesn't, it doesn't. Coach, how many cons did you run? I ran 10 each time. 10 micros. Micros.
I had 2 minis, but then one of them got taken out at $300. And then I rode the other one out. Damn, can you imagine? It would have been 40,000 if my other one didn't get taken out. Oh. Okay, let me not do this, because then I'm gonna need TA. I'm about to go until 2.
All right, it's coming back down. I don't feel so bad about that six no more. Let me see what YouTube got going on. What did YouTube say? Let me pocket watch y'all boys. 500, good shit, Jones. Flare, I'm out at 600. Champ 11, I'm out at 700. Quick ban. Mario, 22 bands. Damn.
Oh, damn,
1054
Coach, I
per
didn't
account.
tag you. Okay, let me actually save this and tag you. Can I tag you after the fact?
Yeah, I think you can. I think you just click mention.
I don't know if I can
325 on
after.
4,
Oh,
8.
I found it.
Good shit.
Yes, I can mention you. There we
Omu
go.
Luwabi, 1300, good shit. Louis Torrey, 500, good shit. Gambling with Dev or gaming with Dev, 4K, good shit. 400 locked on GC, good shit.
Okay,
600.
there we go. I mentioned you.
Nice, nice. Everybody's making fucking profit. What the fuck I'm talking about? You mentioned me? Oh yeah, I see it. That's good money, man. Everybody made good money, man. Either switch accounts if you're gonna keep trading. I'm telling y'all from now, I'm not gonna keep trading.
No, we're gonna do TA, and we're gonna ignore the charts now.
TA, man, who wants to come up for site calls? Let's get it.
Bro, if my OBS did not record this trade, I swear I will fucking flip, bro. I will legit fucking flip. Because why is it doing this dumb shit of like stopping recording? I need to check this real quick.
Y'all see how we flip directly at the midline?
Hold on.
That's why you have to have precise targets. Gotta have precise targets, man. Shit flipped right off the midline, dropped about 40 points. And it may keep going up from here, but I'm okay with that, man. I'm gonna take my shit into New York. I'm end up just passing these 5 accounts tomorrow morning. It's like a 10-point move, bro. It's like a 10-point move.
Production, I want to cry.
Them guys be gapping,
Bro.
huh? Nah, what happened, Izzy?
My recording did the fucking stupid picture instead of the actual recording. Bro, it always does that during Asia.
You have to get a PC, bro. Mac is doing you bad, bro.
Maybe if I speed up too much, people won't be able to tell. You can
Yeah,
get
you probably
picture
could do that.
frames from it.
Yeah, you probably could do that.
I love my Mac. It was 4 bands. Mine was about 3 and some change, so probably around 4 as well. And this thing is still a piece of shit. It
4
was
grand
3
low 5K
was
payouts for those
Texas.
red pills. Good shit, Brody. Good shit, bro.
There is no user errors. It's all the OBSs and everything, like the copy running. 2 OBSs running is what is killing the computer.
I literally had that same problem with my Mac. That's how I had to get a PC. That shit is troll.
And then we have the other. So I have like 4 streamings happening at the same time. Just for trading and regular shit is like. Habibi said it can reduce it to 1 OBS. Yeah, but if we reduce it to 1 OBS, then I can record my trading.
Yeah,
To just buy some. I have, bro, y'all be fucking trying me. I have a whole fucking computer right here. I have 2 Macs on side by side. But that one also got overwhelmed.
What are the most important specs to include on a PC? I don't. It's not like I'm doing like a gaming or anything. I'm literally just running a bunch of programs, so I don't need a crazy ass $3,000 PC. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure any
because
PC would be good. It's just Mac
mine
isn't
is
made
3
for that.
grand. It didn't do shit. It didn't do shit for me.
Well, yeah,
Borali
because
said I can
Mac
buy
isn't
a real
made for
PC.
that. Like Mac is made for like editing and like photoshopping and shit like that. It's not really made for to run.
You know, I wouldn't sell none of my shoes for a computer. That's how I feel.
What you got to
Because
sell shoes for?
I have 3 Macs. Like, you guys don't understand. I have this one that I'm talking to you, the one that I just showed, and one in my kitchen right now. What the fuck am I gonna do with 4 computers? And then I have the iPad over there and a laptop.
Anyways, yeah, I know you don't want to depart from your Mac, but it might be that time on me.
Bro, I just got this in January. And I got that the year before that, and I got that one last year. My laptop has been 2 years, and the first Mac that I have, which is the Pro, I've had it for quite a bit some time now. But they offer, you know how much they offered me? They offered me $100 for this one and the other one. And then I was like, what the fuck am I gonna do with that? I'd rather see my dogs chew the fucking computer than to get rid of it for $100.
Well, BB say, fly me out, I'll build you a PC.
Don't tempt me.
Hey man, that's how you
But it
feel.
has to be pink. But I just bought this. Oh my god. This is the kind of problems that we're running into right now. A custom paint job for a computer actually sounds insane.
It'd be worth it. Not a bad idea. Tell you that much.
Shit, we'll see. Maybe I'll get one of the prop firms to sponsor me. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all tax write-off, so I'm not really tripping about it.
Right. That's exactly how I look at it. And just write it off.
But I already bought one this year. So like for me to say that I bought 2 this year, they might be like, what's up? Were you asleep? You wake up from your nap? You heard that mama make money for you, huh? You heard money, and then you're like, yes, I like money. I chew money all the time.
Let's get some people up here, man. Who wants to do some site calls?
Oh, cute.
Yeah, what's up, brother? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
What's
what's
good,
up?
bro? Yeah, I hear you.
Hey, man, just need a little advice, a little quickie. Last week, I'm pretty much on a 100% win rate right now since last week. And I kind of needed advice when you're like in that zone. Um, what do you have for me, man?
Say it again.
He's on a
So,
winning streak.
yeah, I don't want to get in my head, bro. And I think I'm in my head right now. So I want to be prepared for Monday and see, how I can prepare for Monday since I'm at 100% win rate for this past week.
Oh,
So just
so
yeah,
yeah, bro. Stop caring about that shit.
that's hard.
No, like no, but that's what you have to do. If you lose, you lose. If you win, you win. I've never looked at a win rate since I don't know how long.
I
I haven't
did.
looked at a win rate. I just
But that's
worry about
why,
picking the right trades.
yeah, that's why I tilted when I was about to get my payout from Apex last time. Because
Yeah,
I didn't have a single losing day the entire time that from passing the accounts into payout, I didn't have a single red day. And I was like, I know for a fact that if I have a red day, I'm about to fucking lose it.
yeah,
And if I had to do things differently, I would have, as soon as I was starting to get into my head, because you feel it. I already knew I was going
yeah,
to tilt before it happened, right? It's like we have a certain emotional threshold, right? So if you're getting to the limit of the threshold, this is the best and hardest thing that you can do, but I would take a break. Because you need the emotions to subside for
right.
like a normal level rather than being riding this high, because once you're riding the high, the crash is going to be much harder. They are not going to be able to take it. So you
Yeah,
either need to take it doesn't have to be a long break, but like just enough for the emotions to like calm down, and then I would lower my lot size just for a little bit, maybe for the first and second trade, and then ride that wave, you know.
mhm.
um because if you're already questioning, I feel like you're getting to that point. Or you
Yeah,
tell me,
yeah.
are you getting to that point?
No, I definitely feel at that point right now. And that's
Yeah.
that's a good like advice is to size down. And I think what I'm gonna do is probably just take on one micro and then see how I feel. And then from there, maybe start trading for real on Tuesday if everything turns out okay. Which I don't want to be on a losing streak again, because when I took my first payout, that's kind of what happened. Was I was like 90%, 100% ish area, and then I took my first payout, and then I just had like a losing streak for like 3 months straight. And it's because of that also. And then I had a big day also after that where I made like 7 like bands in like one day. And then it was just I got in my head and I kept chasing that same 7 bands, and I was like, bro, I knew I was doing wrong. Um,
Yeah.
and so now I've just been doing one and done, and then the manual lockout for the trade of eight really helps. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. So I just don't want to I don't want to get ahead of myself again and then get
Yeah.
in my head also. So that sizing down, you telling me to size down right now was like, okay, that's probably like the
Yeah.
sauce for me right now.
Yeah,
Yeah. Or honestly, just take like one, even if you take one day off, that
Mm,
one day sometimes can do like wonders, and just do something nice for yourself. Like, as like, honestly, like, gift yourself a day off and do something nice for yourself. Like, you did a good job to this point, and you get to enjoy that. So your feelings are like, how do you say it? Like you feel accomplished, because you
Gotcha.
need to take that moment to like feel proud of yourself and actually embrace that moment. And then you accept it, and then you release it, and it's game time again.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it,
Like this
guys.
is
I
what you
think.
did to this point, and then just keep on doing that.
Yeah, for sure. I appreciate that.
Okay.
And for the future, bro, don't worry about a win rate and how many green days you got. Just worry about taking the trades that you know is your setups. That's
Right, and that's how we find our consistency, right? Like just making sure we don't care about anything else, but just being consistent with it.
exactly. Consistently take the right trades, bro, and your profits and your win rate don't speak for itself. Don't think about it too much.
Thank you, Coach, and thank you, Izzy. You guys
Awesome.
doing awesome, man. Thank you.
Appreciate it, bro. We'll talk soon.
Yeah, I gotta get back to work, man. I'm driving here in San Antonio, and there's
Mhm.
lots of traffic.
Oh no.
Y'all take care, man.
Focus on the road,
You
bro.
too. Okay.
Guys, before I forget,
Ow.
there is a new there's a new update on the P2P indicator as well. A whole bunch of added features, a couple more areas of interest, more signals firing off. Llama's actually going to do a webinar tomorrow. Well, no. What's today? On Tuesday. We're gonna do a webinar on Tuesday so he can kind of introduce everybody to everything that's going on, pretty much teach you guys what you need to know about it. And it's a huge update. It's a lot of shit on there for the people, that already have the indicator. Make sure that you update it. You should see like a little purple little refresh thing right there. And make sure you update it. Check it out, man. It's a lot of different features, a lot more stuff that we use in the course on that indicator. So guys, be on the lookout for that. And definitely be on the lookout for the webinar on Tuesday. Let's get the next person up here. State your name, state your issue, shut your ass up, let us embrace you.
Yo, y'all can hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you, bro.
Damn, let me see. Damn, my camera don't work. Oh,
Oh, I gotta
Lord.
turn the AC down.
That was good. So what's
What's
up?
good, my boy? State your name, state your issue.
What's up? So my name June. I'm from Temple. Shit, my only issue really is so I used to overtrade. I stopped doing that. I just do my one and done. But I stay like I don't know. I have two PAs, but I'm like scared to trade on them, to be honest, because I don't want to lose them. So I just been on another eval to like get my confidence up. But I feel like I don't know how to say that, but like I wanna start trading on my PAs. Like this trade, I could have took it on my PA and could have got closer to my payout, but it's like something holding me.
You want to go first, Izzy?
I can go
Huh?
first.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think, like, do you have a solid plan that you follow every day?
Yeah, so like I target my jaws of liquidity. I look at the session high, session lows, or the major like from the high time frame, the highs or lows, depending on if the market is bearish or bullish. And then I target like just I scale down to the 5 minute and then look at highs. So I trade the divergence between ES and NQ. And
Right, but like if I were to ask you to put in 5 steps, can you do that?
Like, what you mean 5 steps?
Like it's a repeatable step that you do every single day. Like, are you
Oh,
clear? Like, you don't need to tell me your strategy, but like, are you
yeah.
clear on your strategy? Like, do
I
you
started
trust your
becoming clear.
strategy?
I started trusting it more, and I became clear because before, like I say a month ago, I was just trading like through a million different strategies for real. But I stopped doing that. I try to just stick to one strategy. I watch you guys on a happy hour, and then I'll be going on the power hour too. And I try
Yeah.
to do New York like just by myself to like get my own strategy going. But yeah, I would say I do follow my strategy now, but still like I don't know. I lost 2 PAs, and that shit like kind of fucked me up. So I was scared that I'm gonna lose them again.
So you
Well,
can't
go
you
ahead.
can't be, like I said, it's a thin line between being scary and being risky in trading. You got to be, you got to get an edge on the market when you can. You can't be scared to click the button. You lost PAs, it happens, bro. Everybody in here has lost a PA account. Everybody in here has blown funded accounts. Everybody in here has blown evals. It's all part of the game. But you're never going to get where you're trying to go being scared. Part of having a strategy is the confidence to click the button. Because if you are focused on your strategy and you have your checklist, the things that you know that needs to be checked off before you click that button, if you have that, then there should be no reason to be scared to take the trades. I understand you blew your 2 PAs, and I'm gonna keep it real with you. As long as you trading, you're probably gonna be blowing accounts for the rest of your life. It's all part of the game. So you can't be scared to lose an account. You can't be scared to take a trade because you know that you've lost accounts in the past. Accept that it comes with the game. Scare money don't make no money. You're not gonna be able to get profitable if you're not confident in taking your trades. You're not confident in clicking the button. If you know you have a checklist, you got a checklist, right?
Yeah,
So if you know you got that checklist, whether it's on evals, pros, fundeds, PAs, whatever you want, as long as everything checks off of that checklist, don't be afraid to click the button. The most that can happen is you lose a trade. You're not going to lose forever. You lose one trade, you might be able to get it back in the next 10, 15 minutes, or you leave, come back tomorrow with a new mindset and try to take your same trades again. The trades, your A plus setup that you know that's made you bread, those A plus setups that you know that's gotten you to pass this eval in the first place, do the same thing on your pros. If you're doing it the right way, you ain't got nothing to be scared of. I know the feeling. Trust me, we all know the feeling when you pass your PAs, and especially is this like your first couple PAs that you've been passing?
yeah. There was like my first 2 I passed, I blew them. It was some dumb shit. I was really just revenge trading. That's why I lost them. I was trying to get it back to like the 50,000 balance. But I ended up just losing that. And then the other 2 I passed is where I was like just consistent with it. But it's like I spent so much cheese on them funders and I haven't got a payout yet. That's why like I feel like if I trade on my PAs, it's like I'm a rush to get this payout, and I'm not trying to do that. That's
Well,
why I was just like on eBay.
you need to have a rule because like I trade with one penny, right?
Okay.
And I don't diverge from that. And coach is kind of the same way. Like we both risk 250 per trade, does not matter what, because that's what brings consistency. Like if you can, like if you're accustomed to trade with the same lot size every single day, and you have a threshold because you can go on Tradeovate and set your max loss for the day and your max win for the day.
Mhm.
And you do that, there's no way that you're gonna blow the account. Because like coming from somebody, like somebody said on the chat, right? I blew 20 PAs in one day. Right? Yeah. And I paid for the activation fee. That was the first payout. I got psyched out of it because they asked me to record me trade. And then I was in the last day and it was a red day and I wouldn't get the payout if the account wasn't exactly where it was for when I requested it. So it was a lot of like psychological fuckery going on at the same time. And then if I had let that be it, because I had spent, aside from what I paid for the accounts, I spent $3,000 just to activate them. Right? So it was a pretty good penny. Yeah. Like the payout was 40,000 and I had made 170,000 that week alone. Well, anyway, the bottom line is that I got up the next day and I was just like, you know what? I have two choices. I can either take this on the chin and keep it pushing as if nothing fucking happened, or I can go cry and be in my bed depressed and let this affect me for the rest of the year. Like, you literally only have two choices. And which one are you going to take? You know, are you going to let that past loss define everything that you still have ahead this year? Or are you just going to be like, all right, I fucked up. And what can I do differently? And how can I show up better this time? Those are the only two options that you have. Because either way, you're not making money. Because you're scared of trading the PAs. And they're sitting there. You're not making money. You're not getting to a payout. So what other choice do you have?
True, that is true. And I was contemplating taking this trade on the PA too, and then it was like kind of too late.
And it's okay. Like, the opportunity passed. Like, no trace loss, that's fine. But like, when you are confident, and if you're going to take one trade a day on them, like, make that promise to yourself, I'm going to take one trade a day. I'm going to do the best job that I can. Because if I got to this point, it's because I know I'm doing something right. And really tune into that. Like, and continue to do the process that you do every single day. And guess what? If you do blow them, then you're not doing something right. And then it wasn't going to be sustainable in the long run anyway, because the goal is not just one payout. The goal is multiple payouts. It's for you to keep on doing this and getting payouts. So like, if you do blow them, the worst thing that can happen is show you that there is something missing with your trading, and then you need to figure that out.
Right, you can't be scared of the pressure, bro. Pressure busts pipes, but pressure also makes diamonds too. So it's on you what you let that pressure do to you, bro.
Yes, I
This shit ain't
appreciate
for the fucking weak, bro. Like, we
Thank
do
you.
this, it's fucking hard, but you gotta push through. There's no other alternative. You're not making money either way, so you're either gonna fucking gas to the fucking pedal, or you might as well just fucking quit right now. Are you gonna fucking quit? Because if the answer is no,
no.
You gotta lock
Remember
in,
that.
family.
then you gotta lock in.
Yeah. Appreciate y'all.
You already know it. We all done been there, man. You just gotta lock in, bro. Can't be scared of that pressure, man. Can't be scared of that pressure.
That is
Who else
one
want to
thing that
come
I'll
up?
say that I've never actually had issues with, was like being afraid to trade.
I can't lie. My first time passing in the
Right, baby.
passing the eval, I was low key spooking a little bit. My first time.
Well, and that's what I'm saying. I think it's because I come from a background of like, you know, losing so much of my own money, like with the live accounts, that when I
Oh
got to the challenges, I was like, oh, these are demo accounts.
yeah.
Then my psychology just like got 10 times better. So I never really been like that scared, because I was like, and I think it comes from having a confidence as well on yourself of like, this is gonna work out, doesn't matter what. And I've always had that. I was like, there's no scenario in this world that this is not going to work out for me. Like, a lot of people asked me, they were like, when do you plan on quitting trading? Like, at what point? I was like, there's no point.
If I could be 80
I mean,
and
I'm
as
gonna
long as my
fucking,
hands still
yeah,
work, at 80 years old, I'm gonna be looking for them liquidity sweeps on me. I'm gonna click
bro.
that
I
fucking
was
button.
like,
I'm gonna click
I'm
that button.
either gonna get rich or die trying, because there's no plan B. It's either this or this.
What you mean what I mean by that? If I'm 80 and my brain is still working, and I can fucking sit on my laptop and find my setups, I'm clicking that button at 80. That's a fact. This is the one profession you don't need to move your body. All you got to do is just look
Yeah.
at the computer and click the button. I don't care if I make 100 million. I'm gonna click that fucking button.
You guys see Peter. Peter's still going at it. Oh my god. Peter is so cute. I sent
Peter
up Wall
Tucker?
Street. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Look at him
Anybody else
go.
want to come
Fucking
up?
trading billions every day.
Right, because he just love the game.
Can I
He
talk
loves
to
the
you?
game.
If you ask so nicely.
My boy Joe A+ setup. Talk to me, man. Hoodie 504. I'm still in with 71 points. Good shit, brother. Good shit. Yeah, I had the trail close. I wasn't trying to give back too much. But like I said, I'm gonna take my profits right in New York because I know I'm passing these accounts in the morning. 100%. I need less than $300. That's 10 points.
Oh my god, you're so disciplined. I would have been in a trade by now trying to make the $300.
Hell no. Asia will put me on.
It could never be me.
Asia would fucking put me a damn. You got an old coach? By that time, my dress should be like dragging on the floor by that time.
Oh my god, please cut that shit if that ever happens.
Hell no. I'm finna just wrap it up in a bun, put it in my pocket.
Put it in my pocket is probably the wildest thing you've ever said.
I'm Jamaican, but I got uncles that really do it.
What's going on, Coach? What's up, Izzy?
What's up, brother?
What's up?
So I'm sorry it took me so long. I couldn't figure out how to. This first time I've been called up, I couldn't figure out how to turn the camera and
You're good.
microphone. So I started looking into trade. I just wanted to get your advice on something because I've been going back and forth with some stuff. So I started looking into trading back in the summer, and I spent a lot of time just studying before I ever put a hand to keyboard. Watching different people like Max, and there were some other people I watched on YouTube. But I really connected with the MOT, and I finally started with a prop account in December, and it was really just honestly like doing my first trade, so I didn't really expect much of it. Then in January, I really took it more seriously and locked in with a couple of Lucid accounts. So I know some people, they say it takes a year before I ever passed a challenge or got a payout. So between the end of January, it was like the first month I was really trading every day and watching you guys on the morning show and you guys at night and stuff like that. I was able to get 2K in payout, two separate payouts off of one 50K Lucid account.
Nice.
And while I was trading that Lucid account, got the 2K in payouts, it was like literally 2 weeks in a row. Took like 900 one week and 1100 the next week. They'd let you take like half of whatever your profit is. I also passed two other 50K accounts during that time. So now I was going to be running with 3 50Ks, all passed. So I grouped them together, and this is me still being a rookie, right? So I grouped them together and copy trading on Tradeovate. And I didn't realize that once you take the payout, you can't drop below like 50,100. So when I took the max payout I could, it didn't leave me a really good buffer.
Mhm.
And you guys can laugh at this. I kind of laugh about it, but I feel so stupid. I had all 3 accounts going, and that one account breached because I didn't have a lot of drawdown.
Mhm.
I didn't realize the other 2 accounts. It only stopped the trade on that one account. The other 2 kept going, and I didn't realize it. And it blew both of them.
Mhm.
So I blew all 3 at the same time, and I didn't even realize that the other 2 that were fresh, passes that they just got funded, and it really messed me up. And I make good money on my job, so I actually work 2 jobs, and I make over 300K between the 2. But I really can't, like, I don't want to do that long term. And, you know, I've never felt as confident in something that I know I can make this work and have this be like my full-time income going forward. And now I know a lot of people would say you're crazy if you're going to walk away from, you know, 300K in a job. But when those jobs, what they expect off you and they're killing you, like, I just can't do it the rest of my life. So it's kind of like it resonated with you, what you just said, Izzy, like, there is no plan B, you know, I have a plan B if I have a good income, but I want to eventually be able to quit those jobs. Now, I'm not a rush to do it because I wouldn't be stupid. I mean, I've got 3 young kids and I really feel like I can make this happen. You know, like I hear like, you know, what gives me a lot of confidence is I see you guys calling out like levels. Like right now, tell me if you think I'm wrong. I'm looking at 20. I'm on NQ. I'm trading. I only trade minis, and I know that really doesn't leave me a lot of room, like with drawdown on trades. But I can't. I think it's because with the money I make, you know, it's hard for me to trade the micros, and I'm not trying to be disrespectful and be like, oh, you know, $50 on a trade isn't enough for me. I'm not trying to be like, you know, too greedy like that. But right now I'm looking at 24,114. And I expect if this pops up to that, it's gonna reverse off of that at least 5 to 10 points. So it's a quick $100-200. What do you guys think of that? So I've got a sell order in right now at 24,114 with a stop if I'm wrong at 24,119. And if it pulls back 5 to 10 points, I would just cancel out and take the $200 to $200. Do you guys see that level there at 24,114?
Well, I don't know what exactly you're looking at. I have a fib level around there. I do have a fib level around there. But I don't know. I don't
trade like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what you're looking for. Now, if you're asking if that's a dumb trade, a good trade, that's all up to your trading plan. The risk to reward is there. You're risking about 5 points, but it sounds like you're trying to only go for about 10 points.
Yeah, that's the thing. The biggest problem I've been having, and it's really been my whole trading time. Like, I'm not letting my runners run long enough, I think, and I'm taking you know, as soon as I'm up, you know, 100, you know, 75, 200, $225, I'm just closing the trade out and just taking the couple $100. I know you might say, well, that's not bad, but I feel like I've often left a lot of money on the table. And then it's kind of messed me up. Like some of my losses, I put the stop loss in, but you know, I've been trying to run tighter now ever since I blew those accounts, and I'm not giving the trades enough breathing room. So I feel like I'm not letting my wins run long enough, and I'm not, you know, giving myself enough breathing room on my stop losses.
So the difference is I don't look at money when I trade. I look at my targets. So if I'm like how I was able to take a partial at quarter point, then take a partial at 90, it was like 91, because I understood that that's a place that we can reverse from, and we did. Trailing my stop loss and profit, and you know, during, you know, according the fuck was that? According to structure, you know, it's little things that I do. I look at targets. So when I trade, I don't look at the money. You want to give yourself targets because now, like you just said, you're leaving a lot of money on the table just because you see $200 and you're taking it out. I mean, if that's what you want to trade for, that's fine, but that's stressful. Just like, because you're trading and really don't have a clue where it's going. You're just trying to scoop up a dollar amount.
Yeah, just like doing quick scalps and just trying to take the dollar amount instead of, you know.
Well, even if you're scalping, I'm pretty sure all the scalpers in here, they also have targets. I'm pretty sure everybody, they also have targets. So you don't want to, that's why I always say, don't look at the money. Trust your trade. Have your targets, have your areas of interest that you know that it can reverse from, areas that you pay yourself, and places that it can reverse from. I see why you say you don't use micros, because you're literally going for 10 points.
Yeah.
Like I use micros and I just made $744 per trade. I mean, per account, by just having targets and paying myself when I need to, as opposed to just looking at a dollar amount and clicking the button. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
You want to have an actual strategy with a trading plan, which comes with areas of interest. It comes with targets, so that way you have an idea of where the chart is going.
Yeah, and I think that also comes with backtesting. If you cannot backtest your strategy, there's no proof that you have an edge.
Yeah, I think what I've found my success and what kind of resonates with me, I think would be, the style that I like trading is it's really like, for me, I don't want to say the word easy, but like when I go to back testing, I can look and I can say, okay, right here, maybe I didn't take this trade, but this is probably somewhere where I should have. And I see that that's a level that is of an area of interest. And when you guys are calling out areas of interest, I'm often looking at the same thing. So I feel like that gives me the confidence. Like, okay, I'm seeing the same areas of interest that they are, but I think I'm just not trading it the same way. And I know, like, I've heard some of you guys say, well, just put that trade in and let it go. If it goes up $200 and it comes back and hits your stop loss, but your take profit was, 20 points up and it didn't get there, just let it go. Like, don't sit there. And I think that's where you were saying, Coach, like, I put a lot of stress on myself. Like, I'm watching it and I don't want to let it pull back because I'm like, all right, there's $200. And I think I'm watching the dollar, and that's messing me up a little bit too.
And here's the thing. If you have, like, any strategy can work, right? If you have a proven edge, if you can back test, like, honestly, you can grab a fucking coin and flip it. As long as you're doing at the bare minimum of a 1 to 2 risk reward and you're winning at the bare minimum 50% of the time, you're gonna make money.
Yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm.
So, like, and that's what I tell my students is to start small. You start with a 1 to 2, get consistent with the 1 to 2. It doesn't matter what the money amount is, as long as your trades are 1 to 2 and your days are 1 to 2. So make sure that your losing days are not equal to your winning profit. So if you take, like, let's just say 1 trade a day at a 1 to 2, right? You're risking 250 to make 500 every single day. You're stopping at the 250 and your profit for the day should be 500. So there's no way, unless you're losing more than 50% of the time, that you're not going to be profitable. And then you just let the numbers do the job for you, like the statistics,
Yeah, I follow you.
So, like, it starts small, get consistent with it, and then explore on, like, okay, what happens if I do a 1 2 3, 1 2 4, and kind of build that up from there. And then you can use the data from your back testing to see if it's plausible to hold and what strategy can you use to hold the trades, right? So, like, get consistent with something first and then build on that. Because that's what I've been doing. I've been trading the exact same way since 2022, but I polished my strategy this entire time, but I never changed it, if that makes sense. Because you get better over time.
Yeah.
Do you have like a strategy, or you're literally clicking the button?
No, I'm not clicking the buttons. Like, I usually, like, I play, I usually use orb. I also mark out, like, often if I'm trading in the morning, I'll mark out the previous day high and low. I'll mark out, the London high and low. I do a combination. I'd say, like, what I like trading is either like a rejection off of a level or a break and a retest. Like, that's where I feel comfortable taking those types of trades. So I'm either looking for rejections off of levels that I've marked out or a break and a retest of that level.
So what I would say is invest in your education, bro. That's what's gonna polish up what you kind of already know. Because then you'll have targets. You'll be looking for things like targets. You'll be looking for different types of areas of interest. It can keep you from getting in certain trades. It can have you pay yourself when you get to certain levels instead of, letting a trade fail. Because right now, you're trading the rejections, and you have your plan, but the money aspect is still playing a big part in your trading plan, which it shouldn't. It shouldn't.
Yeah.
You should have your targets and a specific types of trades and some specific types of things that you look for. So that way you can actually hit your profit targets and actually be a consistent profitable trader.
Gotcha. Yeah, and I appreciate the advice. I've actually it's about to be spring break next week, so I'm going to go away with my kids for a week. But I was thinking after I was getting back at that, I was looking at all your bios and, thinking about booking a coaching session to start with.
Yeah, we have like 5-6 different coaches in here. Find your style of trading, whatever your style of trading is. If you're a scalper, we have Hobby, Logan. I don't know. Yeah, Max doesn't do coaching. We have Hobby and Logan. And if you feel like you're intraday, if you feel like you're more intraday, you have Izzy's high and low model, you have the P2P. Whatever your style of trading is, we have the mentor for it. Don't be afraid to invest in a course so that way you can educate yourself over time as opposed to getting educated for a little bit of time and trying to remember all of that shit. You have a course, you have something to hold yourself accountable to, and you have something that you can go actually back test and actually educate yourself.
And we have calls. So all the calls that we do with our private group, you could ask questions rather than get to ask questions for 1 hour. I definitely think that the course and the continuous education is a lot better for that reason
100%.
because I feel like the one-on-ones are more advantageous if you already have a model and you're just trying to polish it.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So maybe start with the course first and then.
Yeah, invest in your education. Yeah. But now you have something to study. When you take the wrong trade today, you will have something that you can go back and study and say, what did I do wrong? Was this a trade that was in the course? Was this something that I learned? Or did I kind of just look at the money again? You want to actually know, where something went wrong. Of course, not everything is 100% and perfect. You're still going to lose, even if you take an A+ setup with whatever course. But you still have something to hold yourself accountable to, and you still have something to back test and study. That's what it's all about. Studying, and like Izzy says, polishing yourself. You want to become better instead of, getting stuck in the same cycle. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, appreciate it.
For sure, brother.
All right. Well, you guys keep up what you're doing. I know we all appreciate it. I appreciate it. Even just being on these sessions, like you learn a lot just watching and but once I get back from vacation, I'm gonna look into get one of the courses, and then after that, I'll look at following up on some one-on-one coaching.
When the time is right, man, you know what you need to do. Just lock in, brother.
All right. Thank you both.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's start giving away some shit, man. YouTube, y'all alive?
Are y'all alive? Do we have 100 likes on YouTube? How many people do we have on YouTube?
We got 116 likes. We got 116 likes. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my God. Why don't we do something different?
What's that?
Whoever, for the account, not the indicator.
Well, it can't be on YouTube. It can't be whoever does it first type of people. There's people,
Oh, there is. Oh, there is the delay.
There's a little bit of delay, and people in the Discord might, be more on point than the people that's just
Yeah.
on
Then let's do it with the Discord.
So first, YouTube, I got something for y'all, man. I need everybody in YouTube to spam. Happy hour. Let's do it. 1 minute on the clock. One minute on the clock. Let's get it. Got about 40 seconds. Got about 20 seconds.
No, I didn't do anything. It literally just fixed by itself. I have no clue. Right, baby. Don't do that to your brother. You know he's tiny. Oh my god. Bro, why you like this? Crackhead. No, don't.
YouTube, we have Juns_TRD. Juns_TRD. Let me type that out for my mods. Juns_TRD. Congratulations, bro. Come to the Discord, open up a support ticket. We got a P2P indicator coming your way.
In a little bit.
Come to the Discord, open up a support ticket, man. We got a P2P indicator on the wait for you, man. Congratulations. W for Juns_TRD. You get more done? Yeah, I actually do. Yup. What you was trying to make a Discord do, Izzy? Hey,
All
what's
right.
Gucci, my boy? What's going?
So Lama did this before. Whoever post on their story on Instagram and tag Coach and I, the profit from today gets the free account.
Oh, the first person to do it?
Yeah, the first person that does it. You gotta tag Coach and I.
Man, ain't got no Insta. You ain't got no Insta.
Well, figure it out. Just create one. Like Lama says, figure your shit out. Not my problem.
Wait, are you? How old are you? You ain't got no Insta. 10, good shit, my boy. What the fuck I'm talking about, bro? That's what the fuck I'm talking about, 10.
In Brazil, we say, do your jumps. Dá seu pulo, meu filho. Vamos.
Don't want people to know I'm trading.
Do your jumps.
Oh, I got a tag. Hold on, I got a tag just now. The first person for me was Geno Mikes.
I didn't get anything yet. Mine is deleting.
Oh, that's the only one I got so far.
They tag me too, or did they just tag you?
They tagged you too. Probably in your request. Check your request.
I'm trying. There's no request.
Oh shit, Jules, that was you? Congratulations, brother. Congratulations, man. We got a 50K TPT coming your way, man.
Bro, why y'all breaking his house?
Open up a support ticket. The mods will take care of you for sure.
Oh, shit.
Congratulations, bro. You. How do I verify that really quick? Hold on.
I don't see any. Oh, I found it.
I don't know. I see a Florida money spread, and he did say he was from Temple. Okay. I just seen your DM. I bet.
I see it too.
I was about to say, gotta be like that's a Florida spread in that profile picture. What? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ski. Let's see what my boy Novo.
Bro, don't tackle your fucking sister.
Novo, good shit, bro.
God damn.
Shit, Novo. Wait, Novo, grinding the fuck out of that account. What I like to see.
Hell yeah.
That's what I like to see on me. Cool, same evals, no resets. Good shit. That's consistency.
Are you Izzy Green? What do you mean?
He asked if you were green Izzy. I think he's just fried. Are you Izzy Green? No, she's what's your Instagram, Izzy?
Mods, drop drop our socials in the chat, please.
Took a little higher lows buy with 5 micros just for 150. Tomorrow 150 more and max payout again. Good shit, Shift.
Oh my god. He was like, Izzy got an OnlyFans. No, Izzy does not got an OnlyFans.
That boy thought he hit the lotto. that boy was about to subscribe instantly. That was excited as fuck over
for
there.
you guys. It just sucks. Do you guys like my pants? My corgi pants? Isn't it cute?
Look at all these horny motherfuckers. Yes, yes, oh yes, yeah. Corgi's my favorite fucking dog, as a matter of fact. As a matter of fact, I always wanted a corgi. Y'all funny as fuck, bro.
Matter of fact, I always wanted a corgi.
We said we'll be cute on OnlyFans. They try to see Izzy throw that ass around, boy. Identify as a corgi. Y'all like, yo. What did y'all do to Lama, bro?
They turned him into a baddie with a fatty. I told Lama that his shit looks fat. I said, damn, you look bad. And he said, yeah, my shit kind of plump.
So Lama co-signed what you said?
Yeah.
Got it.
What?
Got it. I tell you, that's my boy, but you know, I gotta whoa. That's gotta be AI Ellen, bro. Just got in. We looking for trades or we done for the night? We done for the night, brother. We caught 100 points.
What do you mean? I would pay for Lama's OnlyFans.
Coins,
Hi, baby.
what are you trying to say, Coins? That if his shit was you subscribe, that's what you're trying to say?
First of all, because nobody subscribes to man's OnlyFans to see ass.
Apparently Coins does. Apparently Coins does.
Exactly. He said, I would pay for Lama's OnlyFans just to post them in here on this chat. Exactly. See him on the bed, naked, with his feet on the air and his ass up. I'll pay money to see that.
That's wicked work, bro. I got an OnlyFans dedicated to cooking. Nice.
Yeah, OnlyFans actually started as like a fucking, what's my dog doing? Like with fitness and all this other shit, then people started fucking posting nudes there. Do you have an OnlyFans that is not dedicated for cooking, Coach?
You say what?
The Brazilian Lama asked if you have an OnlyFans that is not dedicated for cooking.
Nah, bro. I don't got no. I wouldn't even make OnlyFans dedicated to cooking and waste my damn time. I left my ex and now she got OnlyFans making fucking bank. Oh, my chest. For you, brother. Yo, hey. Moment of silence for Pickle Cucumber, y'all.
Cold cucumber is great.
Brother, I know your chest has to be burning. Like,
Can you send the link? It's diabolical.
I know that boy's sternum is fucking caved in right now, bro. Bro, that hurts, bro.
Yeah,
She's
I'm
getting
fucking
greased by
dead.
a whole bunch of dudes, and she's making bread. Oh Lord Jesus!
And she's making bread.
Coach, give away the P2P University course and pick me as the.
We don't give away courses,
Why would you even entertain?
sir. We do not entertain that.
Y'all gotta chill with the meth smoking, bro.
The meth smoking is crazy word.
I gotta chill with the meth smoking, man. Hey, listen, guys. That is another successful. What are you guys looking for right now? I'm starting to learn to use heat map, and I'm looking at me. So no, but nah, bro, we don't. It's over, bro. We caught it. We caught 100 points, man. We about to call it, man. And we got to jump on next time.
But you know what? I'm gonna be starting to give away soon. Yeah, I'm not giving out my course, but maybe my indicator might be coming out soon. Not the link that you guys want, but the link that you guys might need. The Izzy indicator, yes. Even better. It makes you money instead of you spending money, and then you can go on some host profiles and spend your money that you make with it.
I don't recommend.
I don't recommend either, but if that's what you guys want to do.
I mean, they still gonna do it anyway.
Exactly. You guys are still. I mean, I think it's a great deal. Like, to be quite honest, if I was a guy, I would pay $3.99 to see some pussy popping. I'm just saying.
$3.99 is I ain't gonna lie. That's kind of that's a steal, but I can just Google for the free with the Wi-Fi that I pay for every month.
Yeah, I'm just saying. Exactly. See, winter breaks. I have some hot friends with OnlyFans that I support. Yeah, support your friends in whatever decision and venture they might make, right?
Oh yeah, he's supporting them all right. He's supporting them all right. Also supporting his damn self. Listen, guys, that is another successful happy hour, man. Sunday night, first happy hour of the week. We caught 100 points. First of all, man, W's in the chat, man. W's in the chat. Good ass trade today. We was done in what, Izzy, like
21st minutes of the market open.
Yeah, like I was done in like literally 29 minutes. 29 minutes. No losing trades, 2 W's, 744 per account, less than 300 from passing. Let's get it. Guys, make sure that you guys are tipping the staff. Make sure you guys tip the staff. The staff works solely off tips. They've been holding it down in here. They've been holding it down in here for a very long time, and they always hold it down. I've never seen a day where they was off. Make sure you guys are tipping the staff, support the staff. Make sure you guys are investing in your education as well. Whatever your style of trading is, we have the Mastermind course, we have Izzy's high and low model, we have P2P, we have Logan's Battalion. Whatever your style of trades is, we have the course for it, so you guys can invest in your education, trying to figure it out on your own, trying to figure it out by just trying to take our trades. Not financial advice, we do call bangers around this bitch, but at the same time, you want to invest in yourself so you can study and actually know what you got going on. If you guys need a coaching, make sure you guys book a coaching. You guys get a coaching from me. You can get a coaching from Izzy. You can get a coaching from Javi, Logan, Jake. Whatever your style is, like I say every single day, whatever your flavor of trading is, we got it. Lock in with a mentor, find your style of trading, and invest in yourself. All right? Make sure you guys are checking out the Max Options Trading website, which will have everything that you guys need on there, from courses to our partner prop firms, where you can get yourself a discount. If you need coaching, even if you have to talk to the mods, open up a support ticket, whatever the case may be, you can do it all on the brand new website, maxoptionstrading.com. All right. Make sure you guys check out the indicators. Lama will have a webinar for free on Tuesday explaining the new updates on the indicators that we have. It's a whole lot of different stuff on there for the people that's seen it. I'm pretty sure that when you guys update it, you've seen there's a whole bunch of other different shit on that indicator, and it's gonna be super, super fire. Owen has been doing his thing. If you guys are trading, trade safe. If you guys haven't traded, money missed is not money lost. Don't go on tilt during Asia. And if you lost bread, chin up, chest out. If you blew your account, make sure that you guys link with one of our partner prop firms. Use code BDM. If you're using TPT, use code P2P or BDM. You got something you want to tell them, Izzy?
Yeah. So as of right now, possibly my indicator's coming out April 1st. So yeah, be doing a lot of giveaways. So yeah,
Let's get
boy, let's get it. Don't be an idiot. Don't lose your profits overnight. Lock yourself out. Get the fuck out of the computer.
Straight like that on that, man. Study group. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Pre-market. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. YouTube, Discord. I'm gonna fuck with y'all in the comment section, man. But BB, drop that Underground Railroad one time.
She said take a left from Rodeo. Only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left from Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2P's go. The OGs go there. I just found my people. I just found my people. Yeah. The Underground Railroad. Underground Railroad. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang. Riding in a Maybach with the case. Catching all these Porsches, what the play. Roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick. With the G's and the B's. And we cashing out on trees. Cause I came with spicy G's. And we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad. Where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2P's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the PTP's go.